Hi, my name is Nancy Marlin. I'm a professor in the College of Sciences, and I oversee the Georgia Exchange Program. That's what I'm here to talk to you about for a few minutes this morning. San Diego State University operates a program in the country of Georgia. And if you're not sure where the country of Georgia is located, you can see there's a little blurry map on the front of this flyer. To orient, here's the boot heel of Italy, and if you keep going east across the Black Sea, you come to the country of Georgia. Now, San Diego State University is renowned for sending students abroad. We send over 3,000 students abroad, but it's often difficult for students in the sciences and engineering to study abroad because it's hard to find the exact courses you need that are in your curriculum, that are taught in English. And SDSU Georgia is the solution to this. If you flip over this flyer, you'll see the courses that are being offered at SDSU Georgia next semester. So look at this list. Could you take a full semester of courses from this list? If so, you'd be able to go study in Georgia next semester. Now, aside from the advantage of being able to take courses, and again, these are all SDSU courses taught by SDSU faculty. They just show up on your transcript as if you had taken them here. But in addition to that, one of the myths people have about study abroad is that it's very expensive. I have a lot of students who say to me, I'd like to study abroad, but I don't have the money. And it's true, some of the programs that study abroad are expensive. But this is actually the opposite. Because what you do is an exchange program. So you pay your normal fees and tuition here. You use whatever financial aid you have. Students in Georgia pay their fees and tuition, and we switch you. You pay no additional international fees when you go to Georgia. So that cancels out. Now, the cost of living, I don't need to tell you, in San Diego, you live in a very high cost of living area. Rents are expensive, food is expensive, utilities are expensive. It's the opposite in Tbilisi, Georgia, where the program is located. Rents are very inexpensive, food is inexpensive, transportation's inexpensive, so you actually save money by going to Georgia. In addition, because this is a special SDSU program, we offer a $500 scholarship to all students who are accepted for this program. And in addition, there are other scholarship opportunities you could apply for. So at this point, I'll turn it over to my colleagues who will give you information about how you obtain the links to apply and to get more information about scholarships.